Have you ever wondered why your parents, doctors, or nutritionists always tell you to eat your greens? Well, it turns out green leafy vegetables are one of the healthiest foods on the planet. Packed with essential nutrients, they offer a wide range of benefits that can transform your health. Let's dive into why these vibrant greens are so important. Green leafy vegetables are a nutrient powerhouse. They're loaded with vitamins like A, C, and K, which are essential for healthy skin, a strong immune system, and proper blood clotting. They're also rich in minerals like iron, which helps transport oxygen in your blood, and calcium, which keeps your bones strong. Plus, they're a great source of folate, a B vitamin that's especially important for pregnant women. Your heart loves leafy greens. They're packed with potassium and magnesium, which help regulate blood pressure and reduce the risk of heart disease. Nitrates found in greens like spinach and kale improve blood flow and keep your blood vessels healthy. Eating greens regularly can lower your risk of heart attacks and strokes. Want to boost your immune system? Leafy greens are your go-to. They're rich in vitamin C and antioxidants, which help your body fight off infections and illnesses. Adding greens to your diet can keep you feeling strong and healthy, especially during cold and flu season. Did you know leafy greens are great for your bones? Vegetables like kale and collard greens are loaded with calcium and vitamin K, both of which are essential for bone strength. Regular consumption can help prevent osteoporosis and keep your skeleton strong as you age. Trying to manage your weight? Leafy greens are low in calories but high in fiber, which keeps you full and satisfied. They're the perfect addition to any meal if you're looking to shed a few pounds or maintain a healthy weight. Chronic inflammation is linked to many diseases, including arthritis and diabetes. The antioxidants and phytochemicals in leafy greens like flavonoids and carotenoids have powerful anti-inflammatory properties. Adding greens to your diet can help reduce inflammation and protect your body from long-term damage. Your eyes will thank you for eating leafy greens. Spinach, kale, and other greens contain lutein and zeaxanthin, antioxidants that protect your eyes from harmful light and reduce the risk of age-related macular degeneration and cataracts. Leafy greens are also great for your gut. The fiber in greens promotes healthy digestion, prevents constipation, and supports a balanced gut microbiome. A healthy gut means better overall health. Studies show that eating leafy greens regularly can lower your risk of chronic diseases like type 2 diabetes, certain cancers, and even Alzheimer's. They're truly a superfood for long-term health. Leafy greens also help detoxify your body. Chlorophyll, the pigment that gives greens their vibrant color, supports liver function and helps eliminate toxins from your system. Adding leafy greens to your diet is easy and delicious. Try blending spinach or kale into a smoothie, sautéing Swiss chard with garlic, or using romaine lettuce as a wrap. The possibilities are endless. So, what are you waiting for? Start incorporating more green leafy vegetables into your meals today. Your body will thank you for the boost in nutrients, energy, and overall health. Remember, eating greens isn't just good for you. It's a delicious way to live a healthier, happier life. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more health tips. Eat your greens. Stay healthy.